Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the most delicious moi moi. In a bowl, I'll add beans. I'm using brown beans. You can use black eyed peas as well. Add enough water and stir. I'll leave the beans to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, the beans is soaked enough to remove the skin. I'll rub the beans with my hands to help the skins to come out. I'll strain off the skins. And repeat the process until the beans is clean. Once the beans is clean, soak the beans for at least 1 hour so it will be easy for the blender to grind. Here are other ingredients I'll be using. I'm using habanero peppers. You can add pepper according to your taste. Bell peppers, onions. I'll clean them up and set them aside. The beans is soaked. I'll strain it and transfer it inside the blender. Add onions, bell peppers, habanero peppers, crayfish. The crayfish is optional. If you don't like crayfish, you can leave it out. Add enough water to help the beans to grind. I'll cover the blender and blend the beans into a smooth paste. I'll transfer the blended beans in a bowl and I'll rinse the blender with some water and add it as well. Next, in a pan, I'll add some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions. I'll fry the onions for 5 minutes. I'll remove the onions from the heat when it's ready and set it aside. In a bowl, I'll add seasoning cubes, salt, hot water. I'll stir to break and dissolve the seasoning cubes and the salt. Add it inside the beans paste. Add onions and oil. Add eggs. Mix until they are well combined. If the beans paste is too thick, add hot water. I'll add corned beef. You can use any protein of your choice. When using corned beef, be careful with the amount of salt you use because corned beef contains salt. Taste, adjust the season if needed. And this is ready. I'll set it aside. I'll be using these leaves here to wrap the moi moi. The leaves are nicely washed already. Using these leaves takes the moi moi to another level of deliciousness. If you don't have the leaves, you can use containers like this, brush it with oil and add the beans paste. To wrap the leaves, I'll take one, break the stem to prevent leakage, place another one, break it as well, and then fold it into a cone shape just like shown in this video. I'll take it to the back, open it, and then scoop the beans paste in it. I'm adding 2 spoons at a time. I'll add boiled egg and then cover it just like so. I'll put this aside and repeat the process until I am done. I break. Then double it. If the leaves are big, you don't need to double it. And I'll fold it. Add the beans paste. I'll add boiled egg. And then cover it. I have water boiling on the stove. I'll place a rack inside the pot. Then add the wrap moi moi leaves. I'll cover and cook the moi moi for 1 hour until they are done. Be sure to check on it so it doesn't get burnt. If the water reduces, add hot water. 1 hour later, the moi moi is ready. I'll remove them from the stove. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. Leave the moi moi to cool a bit. Serve and enjoy. This moi moi was very soft and they tasted very delicious. You can enjoy moi moi any time of the day. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can serve moi moi with oatmeal, pap, rice, or even bread. Are you going to be giving this recipe a try? If you do, I'd like to know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!